Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. There's a one comment in my one of video. They're asking how we will know which scale this drawing has been done. So normally you cannot find that one. But if you have a general knowledge, like let's say this wall, okay? This wall can be 200 or can be 300 mm. So when I measure, so this is 200. So I know this drawing is in mm, meaning millimeter. Okay. So when I go here, so this is a smaller one, this is bigger one. So when I go here, so the same drawing, where's the same drawing? Okay, this is the same drawing, ground floor. Okay, I think same. Let me check. We have car here. Yeah, we have car here. So if I measure this one, okay, this one is 0. Why? Because decimal is a big number, meaning decimal they have changed. So in the decimal in the dimension is changed. So primary unit decimal we can make more, little more. Okay. Okay. And check this round off is 0. Okay. Okay. Close. So let's check this dimension. So how much I have? I have point 0.2. So how I will know this drawing drawn in which scale? So we know actual size is 200. Okay. Actual size is 200. So we know the actual dimension is 200. So when you measure, we have point 0.2. So let's go to the calculator. Okay. In the calculator, we will put the actual dimension. We will divide by point 0.2 what we got. Because we know the wall dimension is 200. So we are dividing from the dimension that we got by measurement. So if I divide this 200 by point 0.2, it will become 1000. That meaning the drawing has been drawn 1 to 1000 scale. Okay. So let's say when you measure you got 2. So you will divide it, this 200 by 2, 200 divided by 2. That meaning you're drawing in scale 1 to 100. If you have 20, you got 20. So let's divide 200 divided by 20. So your drawing is 1 to 10. That means you got 15, let's say 15. So you have to divide the 200 by 15. That meaning your drawing is 13.33 scale. So like that you can find your scale. So let's, if it is 1 to, if you want to know the scale, you can make like this. But if you see here, in this drawing, they have mentioned 1 to 100. So I got 2000, sorry, 200, and I got 0.2. So when I divided 200 by 0.2, that means it is coming 1000. Okay, that means 1 into 1000 scale. But there they put 1 into 100. That meaning this drawing is drawn in centimeter. Okay, that meaning Instead of 200, you got, if we say 20, you will divide it by zero point 0.2. So you can get 1 to, you will get 100. How I will know? So let's say I have 200, then I got zero point 0.2, so 1000, correct? But in the scale, they mention 1 to 100. So let's multiple zero point 0.2 into 100. So 20. So 20 meaning I know the actual wall size is 200. So if you reduce by 10, it will come 20 meaning centimeter. 200, if 200 is mm, the 20 is centimeter. Like that you have to understand. Little difficult to understand this one, but if you watch the video 2-3 times, you will know what I am trying to say. So this is the way we find the drawing, find the scale. So let's say you have a room. It's this door. So everybody know this door size. There's a standard size, or you can go with some size which is not which cannot be changed, like door. There is a certain size you can check with that, or some wall thickness. Everybody know this wall cannot be 700, 800, 900. So you can go with the wall thickness, or you can go with any furniture, certain furniture. I think I don't have any furniture. So from that you can understand your drawing in which scale. Okay. So some people what they do, they make the drawing, they make fit to scale. So you will get some different kind of dimension. Example. Now I copy this one. Okay. Copy. Okay. Put it somewhere here. Okay. Now I just scale without any number here. Okay, like this. So if I measure this one, I'll have some certain amount, 0.1506. Okay. So we know this wall thickness is 200. Same the door. If you see door, there is a 900, 750. Normally toilet door 750. Something that standard amount or standard measurement. From that measurement you can divide. So now I know this wall is 200. So let's go to the calculator. So by 200 divided by 0.1506. 0.1506. So this is the scale 1 to 1328.02124. So normally we don't do this one. What we do, we scale this wall thickness 200 up to 200. Okay. Then we do our work. In case of this, if we receive this type of drawing. So I hope you understand. So it's very easy to check. It's 1 to 100 or 1 to 50. So always check. Even they mention here 1 to 100, but if you check the drawing, it is maybe sometime it can be wrong. So you can check this wall. If they provide a dimension, this dimension also can be edited. So this is block. Even I make little bigger or smaller, same. So you can go to the correct dimension. So if it is like this, you mention, you make this this block in correct dimension, and you can fix your drawing. I hope you understand very well. If you not understand, comment so I can make more clear video. So if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe. We can learn together. Until there, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.